Hi there. So, I have a challenge for you, and I'm calling it the As If Challenge. If you are new to quantum physics, or you are skeptical about the science behind it, I encourage you to either go on YouTube or the PBS show, The Fabric of the Cosmos with Brian Greene. And you will find top-notch, world-renowned quantum physicists and regular physicists talking about quantum mechanics. And it's like mind-blowing. However, this is not the video where I'm going to talk about that, but I'm going to talk about one of the applications of that, if you're up for it. And I think that you are. Okay, listen. When it comes to the whole New Age, law of attraction, I'm not a big fan of people who think that they can rub a wine bottle and have all their wishes come true. God, I would be such a rich wino if that were the case. However, I am a very staunch researcher of neuroscience and quantum physics as well as psychology. So with that said, I've got a throwdown for you. All right? We're calling this the As If Challenge. So here's what you do. First thing, think of an intention that you would like to manifest that is so huge, so epic, that if it were to come true, you would be like, oh my God, I'm so happy. You know what I'm thinking? A Pulitzer Prize, Academy Award, $10 million, whatever. Something that is so huge that you would be out of control excited. You got it? Okay. Now you're going to look at your calendar, and you're going to pick a day in the next 2 weeks, whatever, just soon. You're going to pick a day, and you're going to write on that day, as if. The as if challenge, right? Now, make it a regular day. Don't make it a day where you're on vacation at the beach, because that's no challenge at all. That's easy. Make it a day where you're dealing with stuff, regular, everyday stuff. Okay? Even a really challenging day would be super challenging in itself. So you pick this day on your calendar, and here's what you're going to do. You're going to pretend, before you go to bed the night before your challenge, you're going to pretend that you just found out that within 48 hours, that intention is happening. Okay? This is happening. So you just found out it's going to happen in just a couple of days, but you have to keep it a secret. Hate that. So you can't tell anyone, but you know it. Know what I mean? We all have secrets like that sometimes, right? So when you wake up that morning on your As If Challenge Day, you're going to wake up before you even get out of bed, and you're going to say to yourself, oh my gosh, this is happening. I am so excited. Now you have to go through your entire day until you tuck your little self back in bed that night. You've got to go your entire day thinking that this intention will come true in just a couple days. Okay? So notice when you do this how when a customer complains, oh well, whatever. The boss scowls at you, who cares? Someone cut you up on the freeway, buddy, be careful. So if nothing else, it's going to change your whole perception on how you respond and react to things, which I think in itself is worth the experiment. But wait, if you order today, no, I'm just kidding. So you do this, and you're going to do it all day long. And you're going to notice another thing besides the fact that you respond easier to things. You're going to notice the fact that the day's easier, that things are easier. You're going to notice when you go to bed that night, and whether you write it in a journal or you just go over the day, you're going to notice that it was just a much better day. Okay? On a quantum level, and again, go check this stuff out on PBS. I couldn't make this stuff up if I tried. But on a quantum level, things are happening as well. And you can just trust me on this for now. And you know what? Don't even trust me. Be a skeptic and check it out. Just try this experiment. I challenge you. Okay? This is like a legitimate throwdown. Another thing you're going to notice is I'm just saying probably within 2 days. Maybe a little more, maybe a lot less. Some crazy coincidences are going to happen. Because on the quantum level, when you act as if, and you really feel all that excited emotion all day long, and don't get distracted by that icky emotion, of people cutting you off on the freeway and scowling at you and blah, blah, blah. You're going to find yourself in alignment with whatever intention you've set. And stuff happens. Stuff in the cosmos happens that no one can explain yet. Not even the top Nobel Peace Prize winning physicist of all times. It's still an area that is difficult to prove. So there's a lot of stuff out there that I hope you research. And if you don't, listen to me, because I wouldn't lie to you. I like you, right? So that is my challenge. And I challenge everyone. I challenge everyone who sees this video from here on out to take the As If challenge. Just do it one day. Just do it one day. And come back and tell me what you think. I can't wait to hear. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.